Good morning, guys. Again, I just wanna take some pretty quick short video again. My anonymous, beautiful, gorgeous tree in here at the backyard of my garden, and the leaves is really absolutely looking gorgeous. It's kind of it's a yellow green like that, golden yellow. Look at that, gorgeous plants that I had here. This is a part of hardy plants really, because it doesn't bother no matter how heavy winter here we had. This kind of anonymous plants tree that I had doesn't really actually bother. It's really looking beautifully and really looking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh yeah, I love the flowers of this. The flowers is turning to be a kind of a white little one on that, but the flowers is come out about summertime, middle of summertime. Right now the flowers not come out yet, but the leaves is absolutely looking gorgeous and beautiful, and kind of variegated leaves, because as I can close up you guys, look at that. And some of the leaves is turning to be kind of white, variegated white. Look at that, two different kind color of leaves on it. Some are variegated, some are yellow variegated, white variegated. It's really beautiful trees that I had here into the backyard of my garden. Gorgeous looking. Look at that. Yeah, it's a hardest plants too anyway, so that's why I really love it. I love this kind of plants. Yeah, I expect I'm gonna spend a bit more time in here later on when the sunshine is come out, because right now it's still pretty early here, early in the morning I'm in. So maybe a bit later after my breakfast time I gonna come out here and do a bit more work into my garden. Look at that. I mean, the leaves is so gorgeous and beautiful. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. And I love it too. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and hoping to see you guys for my next rounds again. Okay, goodbye for now. Bye.